Yesterday, I lost my phone. I lost my phone and I felt very worried. I thought, where is my phone? I was at the supermarket. It was a normal day. I had my phone in my hand. I looked at my phone. I checked my phone for messages. Then I put my phone in my pocket. I thought everything was fine. I thought, it's okay. I walked into the supermarket. I took a shopping basket. I wanted to buy food. I wanted to buy food for dinner. I walked slowly in the supermarket. I was thinking about what to buy. I walked around the supermarket. I looked at the food. I saw apples. I saw bananas. I saw bread. I saw milk. I put food in my basket. I walked slowly. I looked at the shelves again. Then I wanted to check my phone. I wanted to see the time. I looked in my pocket. My phone was not there. I stopped. I looked again in my pocket. No phone. I looked carefully in my pocket. No phone. I put my hand in my pocket again. No phone. I checked my other pocket. No phone. I checked my jacket. No phone. And I checked my bag. No phone. I said, where is my phone gone? I stopped walking for a moment. I looked around me. I felt nervous. I felt worried. I felt very confused. I walked back to the entrance. I walked slowly back. I looked on the floor. No phone. I looked again on the floor. No phone. I looked near the shopping carts. No phone. I walked around the entrance area again. No phone. I asked a worker, did you see my phone? The worker said, no. Now I felt more worried. Now I felt scared. My phone is very important. My phone has my photos. My phone has my messages. My phone has everything. I cannot lose my phone. I cannot lose my phone. I said, oh no, my phone, it's gone. I walked faster now. I looked everywhere. I looked in the fruit section again. No phone. I looked in the bread section again. No phone. I looked in the milk section again. No phone. No phone. No phone. No phone. I started to feel stressed. I started to feel cold. I started to feel worried. Then I stopped. I stopped walking. I tried to think carefully. I tried to remember. Then I looked at my basket. I looked inside my basket. My phone was in my basket. I looked again. Yes, my phone, it was there. I remembered now. I put my phone there and I forgot. I laughed a little. I felt very relieved. I said, my phone. I felt happy. I was not worried anymore. Everything was okay. So yesterday was a bad day. I lost my phone and I felt very worried. I looked everywhere in the supermarket. I looked on the floor. I looked near the food. I asked a worker. No phone. But in the end, my phone was in my basket. I had my phone the whole time. It was there all along. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.